quinoa tacos with cabbage and feta cheese.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi with an amazing taco recipe, and it can be a light meal and it can be something you have at a party or any of these holidays. If you have guests, you can make mini bites with these. The first thing you do is your cabbage mix, and it's simply cabbage, cilantro, lime juice, and a little bit of sesame oil. If you want, you can add a pinch of salt and pepper. I usually don't until it's ready to be served because the feta cheese is a little salty. So you mix it and voila, you're ready. You can leave it in a bowl so people serve each other on a quinoa tortilla. This is a black quinoa tortilla. It can be a corn tortilla too. And the recipe for the tortilla is also here on YouTube. So below, you'll find the link. One of these packages has 3 ounces of feta cheese. You can add 1, 2, or 3, depending on what you want, a snack or a meal. If you have friends or a party, go ahead and do what I did right now. I placed a lot of tiny tortillas, or you can cut your tortillas in 4 in the oven and bake them. Now I serve them on the side and add the salad, the feta cheese, and just a tiny bit of spice sprinkled on top, so each person can serve themselves. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.